Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your smoothie thicker. Getting that ideal, spoonable consistency is easier than you think with just a few adjustments. We'll explore the most effective strategies to transform your thin, runny drinks into deliciously rich and satisfying blends. You'll learn how to select the right ingredients and adjust your blending process for a consistently perfect smoothie every single time. Let's dive in. The secret to a truly thick smoothie often lies in frozen ingredients. Using at least 1 cup of frozen fruit, such as berries, mango, or pre-frozen banana slices, provides a cold, dense base that significantly contributes to thickness. These icy components reduce the need for extra ice, which can dilute flavor. For best results, freeze your fresh fruit for at least 4 hours or, ideally, overnight. Another crucial step is carefully managing your liquid content. Begin with a small amount, perhaps 1/2 cup of your chosen liquid like milk or juice. Only add more in small increments, about 1 tablespoon at a time, as needed to get the blades moving. Overpouring liquid is the quickest way to end up with a thin, watery smoothie, so be patient and add slowly until you reach your desired consistency. Finally, incorporating specific thickening agents can elevate your smoothie's texture. Adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds or ground flax seeds allows them to absorb liquid and expand, creating a gel-like consistency. For a creamy, rich texture, try including 1/4 of a ripe avocado or a 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt. Nut butters like almond or peanut also add thickness and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.